Drinking water upside down actually tricks your brain into stopping hiccups faster than any other method you've tried. Forget holding your breath or swallowing sugar, this odd maneuver has a scientific edge. When you bend over and sip from the far side of your glass, you force your diaphragm and swallowing muscles to coordinate in a way that resets the nerve pathways causing hiccups. It's like hitting a biological reset button. Medical experts say the sudden change in posture and swallowing direction distracts your vagus nerve, which is responsible for those annoying spasms. The awkwardness is exactly what makes it effective. Next time hiccups hit, skip the awkward advice and try this upside down water trick. You'll have relief before your friends even finish their next remedy suggestion.